This is how it works. You first put the water in the bucket below, and that takes it to this. So we're gonna close this, and then you could like click how high you want the mist. So I can make it medium, low, and if you don't want any, you don't need to. And you can also make the fan as high as you want. There's four things you can make it, and you can change the lights. That's it.
Just got this product, used it for about 30 minutes earlier. Absolutely great, ice cold, highly recommended for the summer. Go get it.